Today, we will be exploring the multiples model. The problem reads as follows. Miss Sheila buys 10 apples. She then buys 2 times as many oranges as apples. She also buys 2 times as many peaches as oranges. How many pieces of fruit does Miss Sheila buy in total? So looking here, I'm going to know that I'm comparing apples. The other fruits is oranges. And our final fruit will be peaches. So I'm going to use A for apples, O for oranges, and P for peaches. So beginning with that, I'm going to start off with my model for apples. I know that apples represents 10. So I'm going to draw my model, A for apple, and I know that there are a total of 10 apples Miss Sheila will buy. Now it states she then buys 2 times as many oranges. She then buys 2 times as many oranges as apples. So that means however many apples she has, she should have twice as much oranges as her apples. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to pull up my bar to represent O for oranges, and I'm going to change this one to this pen so that they're consistent. I'm going to change that color to green. And then for oranges, again, I must have twice as many apples. So I know that for oranges, I have the 10. And I must draw that exactly the same again because the number of oranges must be twice the amount of apples. Well, if there are 10 apples, there has to be 20 oranges because, again, the oranges are twice as many. And then next fruit is our peaches. So we're going to look, and I see that for the peaches, she's also going to buy 2 times as many peaches as oranges. So we must be comparing the peaches and oranges. And there must be twice as many peaches as oranges. So I'm going to look. I'm going to change my color to blue. And I know that I'm comparing with the fruit of peaches. It must be twice as many peaches as oranges. Well, looking at the oranges, there are 20. So I know we have to have 20. But there must be twice as much. So that means I'm going to draw another ball that looks exactly like it so that I have 2 of them. That's what twice means. And that will give me a total of 40 peaches. Now the question is asking, how many pieces of fruit does Miss Sheila buy in total? So that means we need to combine all of her pieces of fruit for the total. So I'm going to take that, and everything must be combined. So that means the 10 apples plus the 20 oranges, and finally the 40 peaches. And when I add them together, I get a total of 70 pieces of fruit. So Miss Sheila buys 70 pieces of fruit in total.